Okay, YouTube, as y'all can see as we starting off the video, man, Chevrolet has officially came out with the last final call, one ride, whatever you want to call it, of the Chevrolet 6th Gen Camaro series, man. So it looks like Dodge Demon 170 must have pushed them out with their final call, so GM decided to do their last call on giving us the 6th Gen Camaro. So as we see now, there's not too much information that they know. They did say in their story headline that even though this is the last generation send-off, they're not really gonna stop making the Camaro or creating a Camaro. As we can see, we don't know yet, no information on that now, but it is what it is. So with that being said, it's nice that GM has officially came out and made this news for people that was curious to see, like, hey, are we gonna get a Camaro? We're not gonna get a Camaro. It was all just speculation up in the air, but it's nice that GM is actually taking the time to make this news to let us know that this 6th generation is it. They did a lot with this platform. They gave us the Cobo Camaros. They have given us the ZL1, the 1LE, the LT1, the SS variants, man, the RS variants, everything they did. I mean, they maxed out this 6th gen platform as much as they possibly could, man. Except give us the horsepower. Like, I feel like this collector's edition, which that's coming out, you guys can get your order for the collector's edition starting this summer. This summer 2023, man, they're gonna start taking orders for the collector's edition. But with this collector edition, I feel like it should be a horsepower upgrade. We've been dealing with the same 650 horsepower, same 650 torque for quite some time, man, ever since the ZL1s came out, and I feel like that it's time for them to upgrade it. Now, will they come out with an LT5 motor in it? Will they give us the Blackwing engine as a minimum in it? Or is they just not gonna deal with it at all? Just send it as is and kind of do like what they did with the Hot Wheels edition, which y'all know what they did. They just gave us upgraded badging. They gave us upgraded colors specific for that, which is like the orange crush a little bit, but a little bit different with metallic flakes. Updating badging and stitching in there and all of that stuff. Now, what is nice about this is that GM did have like a silhouette of what it's gonna look like, and they did upgrade the badging where it has like a little panther in it. So for those of you who don't know, that is the actual code name for Camaro. When they came out with in the 67, they decided to name it the Panther, and that's why they put it in the logo, in the R, I believe, in this updated video that they did. So some people probably catch that, some people probably didn't, but that's the history and the meaning behind why it was called Panther. So there was a car member that I know that did have the Panther in the background in his car with airbrush and everything, and it was eating Mustangs, because y'all know they say the Camaro was a small vicious animals that eat Mustangs, man. So it's crazy that GM came up with all that, but they decided to name it the Camaro at the last minute before they produced it. And here's where we are. I don't have my Camaro as of now. I still got this Nissan Frontier, man. But I did get an update that I'm getting my Camaro tomorrow, get it shipped all the way from Michigan, man. It's been a long time, so I'm glad it's coming. I'm glad it's on its way. And I just want to give you guys that update that this is it. So this is your time to get your orders for your Camaro, man. This is the time. Y'all need to just go to the dealerships and place them in now. And hopefully you guys can get allocation, because it's been seem like a long time for GM to even give you guys the cars that you're looking for the 23 model year. So we know that the 24 collector's edition is going to be crazy, and the markup is going to be crazy too, man. So I don't know. I feel kind of bad right now, because I'm like, while I'm in Arizona, should I get the collector's edition or should I just leave it alone? I'm really thinking about that. I may get it. I may not, because I know the market going to be crazy, but maybe I could search for like a Z28 or get as many Camaros as I can, man, because this is it. And the next one we know is going to be a hybrid or an EV. So y'all drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think, man, about the Camaro, what y'all have aspirations for. Like, do you want more horsepower? Do you rather just have the color package and everything? Do you want the lower spoiler that's similar to like the ZL1 when I leave wing, but it's not functional, just all styling, or whatever, man? So y'all drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all think, man. And like that, I'll see you guys in the next video.